Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the iPhone or iPad to your Mac or PC via USB, or confirm Wi-Fi sync is active. This lets iTunes enumerate backups. Open iTunes and sign into the Apple ID linked to the backup so you see device entries. Once connected, make sure you authorize and trust the computer. If prompted, tap Trust on the device. This step ensures iTunes can read backup metadata, which is essential for locating the correct backup quickly. You now navigate to the device view in iTunes. Click the device icon and open Summary or General on newer Mac OS. From there, click Manage Backups to reveal the list of local backups stored on this machine. Pay attention to the timestamp and the device name so you can identify the right snapshot. Encrypted backups show a padlock icon and require the encryption password to restore. Once done, you can right-click a backup to show in Finder or X. To finish, select the desired backup and choose Restore Backup. Follow on-screen prompts and keep the device connected until complete. If you prefer to preserve a snapshot, archive the backup so it won't be overwritten. If you can't find a backup, check the standard backup folders on Mac OS or Windows, because local files sometimes exist even if iTunes doesn't list them. If you encounter an encrypted backup and forgot the password, you'll need that password to restore. Otherwise, you must reset the device and use an unencrypted backup or start fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.